Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AMD Timeout Has Occurred error here on Windows 10 or 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and go to your Start menu, right-click on it. Now click on Device Manager. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, okay, go ahead and find Display Adapters. Okay, and once done, go ahead and find your graphics card. Right-click on it, click on Update Driver. Now click on Browse right here. Let me pick. Now go ahead and find your AMD signature. Click on it and hit on Next. Your screen will flicker. Don't worry about it. And after that, go ahead and check if it helps. If that will work, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, now type down AMD driver. Okay, hit on Enter. Now click on the first link, which is from AMD itself. Now scroll down and find Download Windows Drivers. Click on it. Save it wherever you want. Wait for the download process to finish and click on the installer itself. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, there will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes and just follow the simple prompts. Okay, wait for it to fully open, and once it's opened, okay, you're gonna want to click on additional options right here at the bottom and just click on Driver Only, accept and to install. And once that's done, you'll be shown at this page. Okay, again, click on Accept and Install. Wait for the process to finish, and after that, close this prompt. Okay, close it. Once you have it all closed, you can now go ahead and restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.